right, part 2 of the crown chakra. I was telling you about the oils that I'll be using, and I'll be using those oils to make a aura spray. I read out the frankincense, but I was running out of time when I was reading the rose. So here's just a recap. The rose oil is the highest spiritual frequency of all essential oils. I didn't know that. It enhances spiritual insight, transformation, bringing harmony to the body, mind, emotions, and spirit. The oil is gentle with a floral, rich, and deep aroma. A gentle tonic for the spiritual heart. Rose enhances the frequencies of all cells and of the subtle body, which is the aura and the chakras. So working with the meditation, where I'm going to be visualizing that light shooting through my root chakra, in and through my chakra centers, up through my crown chakra, into the heavens, past the heavens, into space, past space, into the galaxy, and then spraying my frankincense and rose aura spray. Ooh, that's going to be divine. So I am going to be using the clear quartz that's commonly known for the crown chakra, but other quartz can be used for crown chakra. I'm going to use the clear quartz. And here's a little information about the clear quartz, because clear quartz has the, hold on, I don't know if that's the one that I was going to read. It is not. Let me go up a little bit. Here we go. All right, so I was right, because clear quartz has the prismatic ability to vibrate its energy at all of the color frequencies. It not only harmonizes all of the chakras, but can teach us how to vibrate our 7 chakras simultaneously while maintaining perfect alignment with the light. Clear quartz is particularly useful for stimulating the crown chakra. The crown chakra is located at the top of the head and is our gateway to the expanded universe beyond our bodies. It controls how we think and how we respond to the world around us. It is the fountainhead of our beliefs and the source of our spirituality. It connects us to the higher planes of existence and is the source of universal energy and truth. When the crown is in balance, our energies are in balance. We know our place in the universe and see things as they are. We are unruffled by setbacks, knowing they are an essential part of our lives. Beautiful. Like humans, each clear quartz, I wanted to read this because I've been talking about gemstones, and I always talk about them, and many ask, like, how do they work? What's the real essence behind gemstones? So hear this. Like humans, each clear quartz crystal is unique, each with its own personality, lessons, and experiences. The crystals attracted into one's life are stones that will in some way help facilitate personal growth and awareness. They may work subliminally in unawakened minds, but for those spiritually attuned to the universe, quartz crystals, as well as other crystals, are like beacons of light and positive energy to be used in daily thoughts, feelings, words, and actions, and integrated onto the earth. As a connection between the physical dimension and the spiritual, clear quartz enhances communication with plants, animals, minerals, and in speaking with and receiving information from the divine and otherworldly masters, teachers, and healers. Its natural tendency is for harmony and brings a sense of purpose to those who resonate with it. Lovely. And I've been rocking the clear quartz for a couple of days now, and totems have been like, I feel like a cardinal bird is like following me everywhere I go. And I was out and about, and dragonflies, you know, a lot of dragonflies have been following me. So I definitely look forward to sharing my experience. So here are the writing prompts that I'm going to use. I'm going to talk about what did I feel, see, or hear while I did my meditation. And I'm going to complete these prompts. I know my ego is influencing my thoughts, reactions, or actions when I want to be able to identify when my ego kick in, because, you know, it has to be a balance. And the best thing for you to do is be able to realize when you are moving, talking, speaking, thinking in ego versus your divine thoughts. so that you can address it. It's not a bad thing. It's not saying that you're just not developed or you're a bad person or, you know, whatever. It's just that it's a human reality. It's a reality as spiritual beings having human experiences that we are going to have a sense of ego attachment. But crown chakra opening challenges you to detach, you know, and just appreciate and love and see and listen and hear and feel and be guided divinely. I'm going to also complete this prompt. I feel most connected to divine consciousness when I... And then lastly, take a moment to look around you wherever you are. Write down what you see. As many things, people as you feel to write. Now, write down what is divine, beautiful, good, helpful, joyous, and how about those things and how these things are connected to the source of life. Challenging us to look at everything from these beads to this necklace to these earrings to everything. The plant in front of me. I'm just looking around like my couch, you know, to my mama, you know, my baba. Looking at everything and realizing how divine everything is, because it really helps you to see how everything is connected, see how everything is divine, and be able to relax in gratitude. And that's the biggest thing that we want to do. So I want to end off by sharing the affirmation that I will be using. I found one that is beautiful. Very grateful for finding it. And affirmations are very powerful because when we speak, you know, we're letting out, we're emitting a certain level of frequency. The words that we use, you know, they have a certain level of meaning to us. Certain words we use make us feel a certain way. And so it's important with your affirmations for you to write affirmations that you really can feel, that you're really emoting. And so this is the crown chakra affirmation that I will be stating every day, throughout the day. I am a being of divine light and love. I am divinely guided and inspired. I am at one with the universe. I live my life through my highest self. And there you have it. So thank you for staying tuned to this journey. I pray that you all are having a good time as you go through yours. I know that some of you have purchased your chakra stone kit. You have on my website, queenyenn.com, just in case you don't know. And you are doing your challenge. I met a couple of people at the last pop-up shop that I had that said that they are thrilled that this is happening and they are inspired to do it as well. So I pray that you experience all that you seek to experience, all the opening, all the balance, all the healing, and all of the increased expansion, manifestation that you seek as well. It's a beautiful journey. I already know that this crown chakra is going to open up so much. It already has. I've been low-key, you know, kind of resonating on it for the last several days. And divinely, I picked up a book that is totally talking about ego and totally talking about how to detach from ego and how to tap into your inner being, your inner self. So it was just so divine that I had that book on my shelf for ages. And a friend of mine said that he was reading. I was like, I have that book and I don't think I ever finished it. And so I picked it back up. So it's been a great read. It's been challenging my thoughts around ego, what it really means for you to have ego. It's been softening my thoughts around ego, because I have a tendency to beat myself up when I know I'm not in tune or I know I'm imbalanced. So I know it's going to be a beautiful journey, and I look forward to sharing the rest of it. And this is culminating this journey. So these will be the last several reflections. I think I have about 3 or 4 more reflections to go. And then we'll be finished. And I will share my last all-encompassing reflection of this journey through my chakras. And of course, this is producing a book that will be available end of September, October, around that time. It will be a workbook, a kit, a program, or something, a journal, something that will help others go through this journey in such a beautiful way. All right. So see you next reflection. Peace.